Today we're gonna make this delicious baked feta and phyllo. I've recently teamed up with 776 Deluxe, who bring in some of the best Greek products to America. So I have in the description below links where you can purchase these products. And this recipe is a recipe that I've been making for years, baked feta and phyllo, but I'm using 776 products to make a little bit of a twist. So I have here their delicious phyllo, which honestly, this is some of the best phyllo I've ever used. It is so easy to work with and it doesn't dry out. And it's great texture, so I really love using this. So we're gonna take just one sheet of phyllo for this recipe. This is an easy recipe. It's baked feta and phyllo, and it's a great one to make when people are coming over. It's a little appetizer that you can put on a dish and serve it with some warm pita. We used to also make this at our restaurant. People always enjoyed that. Look at this phyllo. Look, sometimes you get phyllo and it crumbles really easily. This is a great thickness to this phyllo, and it's easy to work with. So I'm just gonna take this one sheet and I'm gonna roll this up and put it in the fridge and use it later. So now with our phyllo here, I have melted 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna take the butter, brush butter all over our phyllo. Then we're gonna take this sheet and fold it in half. Now we have our folded phyllo, some more butter, of course. The butter makes our phyllo nice and crispy when we bake it. And here we have stani feta. You guys have to try this. I'll have the link below of where you can purchase this, but this is delicious, creamy feta. So we're gonna take 1 block of that, put it right in the middle. And now we're gonna do a little twist. We have here some mango cayenne jam that 776 makes, and it has a really great heat to it. So we're gonna take this. The heat from this jam with the creamy feta is delicious. So we're gonna take that about 2 tablespoons on top of our feta. So you want a good layer on there. Just spread that out on top of the feta. And now we're gonna fold this up. So we're gonna take the phyllo over to one side, the other side, and half there. Just make a little pocket. So this end here, I'm gonna fold it in, and that's it, so simple. So we're gonna cover that, of course, with some more butter. You will definitely wow your guests when you make this for them to come over. So we're gonna put this right on a small little baking sheet. I just put a little parchment down, and we're gonna bake this in the oven at 375. Our baked phyllo and feta looks amazing, nice and golden brown and melted. I'm gonna put that right in the middle of this dish here. My goodness, I can't wait to dig in here. I have some grilled pita that I'm gonna serve with this. And to top it off, I'm gonna actually use 776 has some orange blossom honey, and I'm gonna drizzle that on top for extra sweetness. Look at that. And this appetizer, I can't wait to dig into this. I'm cutting into this. You can see the melted feta, the mango jam. I'm gonna put that right on my, look at that. Delicious. Looks so good. For the full recipe, visit nikkiklekis.com. And don't forget, in the link below, you can click to order these delicious products to make this at home. Enjoy.